guys, it's Janet, and I want to share with you today the brand new beautiful carry tote for the Stamparatus. Stampin' Up! Actually has two new craft and carry totes that they are introducing. One for new demonstrators, and then the Stamparatus tool carry bag will be available beginning December for the customers to order. Right now, demonstrators are pre-ordering it. So you've got the bag. The bag does have a shoulder strap if you choose to use that. The bag has reinforced stitching both on the handle. This is folded over and stitched, and it's got reinforced stitching at the section where the straps go into the bag. It is a nice, sturdy, heavy canvas. I love that it has this pop of white, but that the rest of it is navy, so it's not going to show the dirt and the markings. You have this ring here, and then you have a similar ring on the back side. That is where your shoulder strap would click into. So now let's go ahead and let's open this. And this is designed to hold your Stamparatus, extra plates, the Stamparatus grid paper. You can hold the actual Stamparatus tool, extra magnets, the foam mat, things like that. So on this side here, you have your larger pocket that's single all by itself, and that's a great place for your Stamparatus tool, is to be in that pocket right here. Over here on this side, you have three separate pockets. You have a larger one, which is a perfect place for your extra plates. Let me slide this over so you can see better. You have a pocket here, which is perfect for your extra plates. The next pocket I found to be a great place for your foam mat. And then Stampin' Up! Does have grid paper now that fits perfectly inside of your Stamparatus tool. And then lastly, you have your extra magnets. These magnets are really, really powerful. And so you want to be careful that they're not touching each other. When they're touching each other, they're near impossible to get apart. So what I found works best for storing the extra magnets, I have one on this side of the fabric and one on this side. And that allows me to be able to grab this magnet and push it away. And I'm not worried about it snapping together. Notice also too that I'm holding it as I'm putting it together. Because of the strength of it, if they get too close, they will slam together, and that could actually crack that. So you want to be careful. And again, inside you're going to find that you've got this nice extra reinforced stitching. So that's going to be absolutely wonderful. For those of you who don't own the Stamparatus, there are lots of other possibilities for this bag. It's a perfect bag for taking your paper pumpkin on the go. You've got a place to put your paper pumpkin pieces in it. You're able to slide a clear mount stamp case in it, one of the wood mount stamp cases. Let's take that out for just a second and let me give you an example. Where did I go with it? Well, this one. Well, that one worked. Hold on a second, guys. I'm going to reach around me for 1 second just to show you. You're going to be able to say, so pretend like this is filled with ink spots. So you're going to be able to put your case of ink spots in there, and on this side you're going to have all of your elements for your paper pumpkin kit. So you're going to be able to take this and use this as a paper pumpkin bag and transport that. So when you're working on paper pumpkin, maybe you craft, maybe you cross stitch, maybe there's other things that you do. Maybe you just simply like to color. For those of you who do Bible journaling, this would be a great bag for that as well. Depending on the size of your Bible, it may fit in here. And of course, taking your different markers and pens and ink pads and things that you use for your Bible journaling. So don't think of it just as a Stamparatus bag. I'm also thinking that it would be a great little cosmetic bag. You'll be able to put, your taller shampoos and things like that on this side, and some of your other elements that you use with your cosmetics or your toiletries when you're traveling. So I'm seeing lots of possibilities for this bag above and beyond the Stamparatus. Especially for myself, I don't usually take my Stampin' Up! Tools on the road too much anymore. And so I love this bag. I love how it coordinates with the one I'm going to show you in the next video. So I'm already brainstorming all of the ways that I can take this out on the road with me and travel with it and stay organized while I'm traveling. So again, it is designed for your Stamparatus, but it's going to be a bag for so many more things beyond your Stamparatus. So maybe you're going to need more than one of them. But watch for this to go live for customers in December, guys. Thanks.